YouTube learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very great. So let's start today's video. So in today's video, we are going to see few very short sentences that can help you. And if you are a beginner, this video is for you. In fact, this channel is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining you everything in English. Okay, so actually I thought that this channel is dedicated on learning English and we are here to learn English. So let's make a video where I'm going to explain everything in English. So those who are beginner, they might face problem, but don't worry. Rest assured, you are going to understand gradually everything. You just have to give time and you have to be patient. So, without delaying, let's quickly start today's sentences. कृपया अपनी सहायता खुद कीजिए. Help yourself. जरूर आना. Do come. उतर जाओ. Get down. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you please. बेशक. Of course. नीचे जाओ. Go down. Sorry, मैं late हो गई. Oh, I'm sorry, I got a little late. Go up. ऊपर जाओ. माफ कीजिएगा. I beg your pardon. हाँ, जरूर. Yes, by all means. क्या सच? Is it? क्या आप थोड़ा धीरे बोलेंगे? Would you please speak slowly? थोड़ा भी नहीं. Not the least. छी! How disgusting! आपकी दया है, आपकी कृपा है. That's so kind of you. क्या बकवास है? What nonsense! क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother! आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. बहुत दिनों से आप दिखे नहीं. Long time no see. Wonderful! अद्भुत! So, how you like these sentences? Do comment me and like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.